Hi everyone, welcome to the Yarn Symphony. I'm here again with another absolute beginner project. You only need 10 minutes to make this little boat. It's a no magic ring project with no sewing part. So just tell me, have you ever been on a boat? How did it feel like? I've never been on a boat. Just tell me in the comments. If you enjoy easy and fast crochet projects, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's see the materials. First of all, we need yarn. Try to use 2 colors. And the thickness of the yarn that I'm using is about 2 millimeters. We need a crochet hook. If you are a beginner, it's better to use a 3 millimeter hook. I'm going to use a 3 millimeter hook because I want the stitches to be seen better. But if you use a 2 millimeter hook, your boat won't have these little spaces between the stitches, and the boat will be a little bit smaller than mine if you use the same pattern. But if you're a beginner, it's just better to use a 3 millimeter hook. We need 1 stitch marker. If you don't have one, it's okay. You can use paper clip, safety pin, or hair clip. And scissors. That's all. As I said, I don't want to use the magic ring in this project, but if you can make one, so go on and make it. Instead of making the magic ring, first I want to make one slip knot. To make the slip knot, you need to use your index finger, make an X shape here, and then just make a knot. Now you must have a loop, a knot, the short tail, and the working tail. Now I want to insert my hook inside of this loop, and I want to hold this knot here and pull the working tail. Your hook needs to move inside of this loop. To hold the hook, you can hold it like a pencil or like a knife. I want to hold this knot in the short tail with my thumb and middle finger, and to hold the working tail, I want to use this method. Like that. Now I want to show you how to chain. To chain, first take your hook to down, then behind of the working tail, twist your hook and grab the yarn. Now I want to pull this yarn through this loop, like this. This is 1 chain. Do you see the V shape here? This is a chain. Again, down, behind, up, twist, and grab the yarn and pull through. This is the 2nd chain. Now we have 2 chains, and I want to start the round 1. In this video, I want to tell you how to read the crochet patterns. This pattern here says on round 1 we need 6 SC, which is single crochet, on the 2nd chain from the hook. So first, let's find the 2nd chain from the hook. So this is the 1st chain from the hook, and this one is the 2nd chain from the hook. So I'm going to insert my hook inside of this chain. You see there's 1 loop of the chain on my hook. Now I'm showing you how to make a single crochet. Now grab the yarn, pull it through the chain, make 2 loops, yarn over, and pull it through the 2 loops. We call that 1 single crochet. And you see it looks like a V2. Now again, we need 6 single crochets, right? So inside of the same chain, you can see a hole here. So insert your hook inside of it, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This is the 2nd single crochet. Again, inside of the same place, 3, 4. Now I want to make 2 more on the other side of the short tail. So just hold it on this side. Now insert your hook again inside of the same place, 5, and the last one, number 6. This is the end of the round 1, and now you must have 6 single crochets. For counting the number of the single crochets, you can count the V shapes. You see they're right here. This one, and then this one, and so on. Now we want to start the round 2. This is the pattern of the round 2. 1 single crochet and then 1 increasing. This is 1 increasing, INC, and we're going to repeat this 3 times. So to make a single crochet on top of a single crochet, you need to insert your hook under the V shape of that single crochet. You see this V shape is on my hook now. Yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This is the first single crochet of round 2 and I want to mark it. Insert your stitch marker under the V shape. So the pattern says 1 single crochet and then 1 increasing. So I made the single crochet here, so inside of the next stitch I want to increase. Insert your hook under the V shape. First make 1 single crochet. Increasing means making 2 single crochets inside of 1 stitch. So this was the first single crochet. Now inside of the same stitch, can you see this little gap here? Insert your hook and make another single crochet like that. And we're going to repeat this pattern 3 times. This was the first time. Again, on the left we have the next V shape. Insert your hook under it, make 1 single crochet, and then inside of the next stitch I want to increase. Under the V shape, make 2 single crochets like that. And this is going to be the last one. 1 single crochet and then 1 increasing. This is the end of the round 2. Now I want to start the round 3. This is the pattern of round 3, so I'm going to show you. Take out the stitch marker. Under the V shape, the first V shape, I want to make 1 single crochet and I want to mark it. We mark the first stitch of each round. Okay, so the pattern says 1 single crochet and then 1 increasing. So inside of the next stitch, I want to make 2 single crochets and then again 1 single crochet inside of the next stitch. This is the pattern you must repeat 3 times. So repeat it until the end of the round and then you will have 12 single crochets. This is the end of the round 3 and now I have 12 single crochets. This is the correct shape of our work. So this isn't correct. Okay, the short tail must be inside of our work like this. Now I want to start the round 4, so take out the stitch marker, 1 single crochet and mark it. The pattern says we need 3 single crochets, so 2, 3 and then 1 increasing. You should repeat this pattern 3 single crochets and then 1 increasing 3 times until the end of the round and then you will have 15 single crochets. This is the end of the round 4 and I have 15 single crochets. Now I want to start the round 5. First take out the stitch marker, 1 single crochet inside of the first stitch and mark it. We need 2 single crochets first, so this is the second one, and then 1 increasing inside of the next stitch, and again we need 2 single crochets, so 1 and 2. You need to repeat this 3 times until the end of the round and then you will have 18 single crochets. This is the end of the round 5 and now I have 18 single crochets. Now I want to start the round 6. First take out the stitch marker, 1 single crochet and mark it. This is 1, we need 5, so 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 single crochets we need to increase inside of the next stitch. So repeat this 3 times until the end of the round and then you will have 21 single crochets. This is the end of the round 6 and I have 21 single crochets. Now I want to take out my stitch marker and I want to undo the last stitch. Okay, again insert your hook. Now insert your hook again inside of the same stitch because that was increasing. Yarn over and pull through. Now I want to grab the second color. So grab it with your hook and pull it through these two loops. Okay? Now I want to keep crocheting with the second color, and first I want to make one single crochet and I want to mark it because it's the first stitch around 7. Now pull this white yarn. Now we can cut it. We need a little tail here. Now push these tails inside of this triangle so we can crochet better. For the round 7 until the end of the round 10, we want to single crochet around, or SC around. It means we're going to make one single crochet inside of each stitch, so no increasing, like that. Just one single crochet, again one single crochet, and so on. And don't forget to mark the first stitch of each round. I'm gonna meet you after round 10. So this is the end of the round 10. It looks like a mountain actually, right? Okay, now take out the stitch marker. I'm gonna make one slip stitch. This is how I make it. Insert your hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through the V shape, make 2 loops. Now pull this one through this one. So just grab it and pull it through like that. Now we need a long tail here. Okay, I guess that's enough. Now cut the tail. Now let's hide the tails. First, make your boat inside out. I'm going to use my hook to hide the tails. If you can't use it, you can use a sewing needle too, but it's so much easier to use your hook. I'm going to insert my hook inside up here, and after 1 stitch, I'm going to bring it out. Again, insert it and bring it out. Now grab the white tail and pull it through these stitches like that. Now I want to tie knot 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and cut the tails. Now I want to make this part on the boat. So again, I just want to use my hook. First, fold your boat like this. This part needs to be in the middle of the boat. Now again, I want to use my hook, insert it, bring it out after 1 stitch, and again insert it. Grab the yarn and pull it through these stitches. Now I want to grab it from inside of the boat, which is actually the outside because it's inside out now. So this is the short tail and this is the long one. Insert it from here and then grab the yarn. Now I want you to insert your hook inside of the center of the top, and again grab the yarn and pull it through here. Yeah, that's right. Pull it like this. Now again, I want you to insert your hook inside of here in the middle right there, and now grab the yarn like this Don't worry, just trust the process, okay? And again, insert it inside of the center. Grab the yarn and bring it out. Okay, just like that. Again, make it flat. Okay, now I want to tie knot with these two tails. Right there, 1 and 2 and 3. Now cut the tails. Now let's fix it. Just like that. Yeah. And this part, yeah. Now I'm gonna fold the second color part like that and fold it just like this. The mini boat is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Ask me your questions in the comments. I always answer. So see you in the next video, guys.